Hello everyone, welcome to Hygriva Study Circle. Today we are going to solve 25th November shift to max solutions. If 4 sin square theta is 1 and theta is an acute angle, then find the value of cos square theta and tan square theta. Here sin square theta is 1 by 4. So sin theta will be root of 1 by 4, that is 1 by 2. Sin theta is 1 by 2 when theta is 30 degree. So substituting this theta value in this, cos square 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square plus tan square 30 is 1 by root 3 whole square. Solving this, root and square get cancelled, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 3, that is taking LCM 12 divided by 9 plus 4. 13 by 12 is our answer, option A. The average of all the prime numbers between 30 and 50 is, after 30, 31 is prime number, and next 37, next 41, 43 and 47, next 50. So between 30 and 50 there lies 5 prime numbers. Sum of these 5 prime numbers is 31 plus 37 is 68, 109, 152, 199. So 199 divided by 5 prime numbers. 5 ones, 5 3 is 15, carry 4, 5 9 is 45 and 4 5 8 is 40, that is 39.8 is our answer. The value of m in p by q and q by p. See here, p by q whole raised to 2m plus 2, and here we have q by 2. So writing as in p by q form, 9 minus m can be written as minus of 9 minus m. So now bases are equal, equating the powers, 2m plus 2 is equal to minus 9 plus m. So plus m becomes minus m when it goes to this side, that is m is equal to 2 comes here, it becomes minus 2, so minus 11. M value is minus 11. Option B is right answer. Next question. A man sold an article for 247.5, thereby gaining 12.5% profit. The cost price of the article was, so profit is 12.5%. For 12.5% we can write it in fraction from 1 by 8. Here 8 is cost price and 1 is profit. So selling price becomes cost price plus profit, that is 9 units. Now 9 units is 247.5. So what is 8 units, that is cost price. So 9 ones, 9 twos 18, carry 6, 9 sevens 63, carry 4, 9 fives 45. 27.5 into 8 is 220. So our answer is option A. Next question. The sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 24, 24. Find the largest one. See here, sum of 3 consecutive multiples. 24, 24 is sum. Number is 3. So average becomes 3 ones, 3 eights 24, 0, again 3 8 24. 8 not 8 is average. So 3 consecutive multiples, that is first number, second number and third number. Average is always a middle number. So 8 not 8 is middle number. To find the largest one, we have to add 8 in this number. It becomes 816. So our option is D. Next question. The tax on a commodity is reduced by 20% and its consumption increased by 15%. What is the effect of tax revenue? Tax revenue is equal to consumption into tax. So here tax is reduced by 20%, means initially it was 5, now it becomes 4. Now consumption increased by 15%, that is initially 100, now it becomes 115. So multiplying both this we get revenue. 5 into 100 is 500. 115 into 4 is 460. So here revenue is decreased. How much percent decreased is? 500 minus 460 is 40 divided by 500 to find percentage into 100. These two zeros, 5 ones, 5 8. So 8% revenue is decreased. Option B is our answer. A driver rowing at a speed of 3 km per hour in still water takes double the time going 50 km upstream compared to going 50 km downstream. The speed of the driver downstream is, here upstream is equal to x minus y, and downstream is x plus y. So speed in still water, that is x is given as 3 minus y and 3 plus y. So here upstream time is taken double the time of downstream time. So time is equal to distance by speed. Distance is 50 km, speed is 3 minus y equal to 2 into same distance and 3 plus y. So now these 50 and 50 get cancelled. 3 plus y is equal to 2 times of 3 minus y. 3 plus y, 2 3 is 6 minus 2y. So 3y becomes 3. 3 and 3 get cancelled. We get y as 1. So substituting y to get the downstream speed, speed of the driver in downstream. Downstream speed is equal to 3 plus 1, that is 4 km per hour is our answer. Option B. Two successive discounts of 40% and 60% on a deal are equivalent to a single discount of. So 40 plus 60 minus of 40 into 60 divided by 100. These two zeros get cancelled. 40 plus 60 is 100 minus of 4 6 24. So 100 minus 24 is 76%. Our answer is option C. Next question. Simplify the following expression. So to solve this type of questions, first we'll assume that z is equal to 0. So when z is 0, these terms gets 0 value. So now minus 5y square is 25y square. Next 2y square is 4y square, that is 29y square. Next we'll take y as 0. So assuming y as 0, if y is 0, this term is cancelled and this term is 0. So 2z whole square is 4z whole square plus 5z whole square is 25z whole square, remaining minus 25z square. Plus 25 and minus 25 get cancelled, will get plus 4z square. So our answer is option C. Next question. The LCM of 84, 105 and 140 is, see here LCM means 84 can be written as 7 into 12. 12 is 4 into 3. And 105 can be written as 7 into 15. 15 means 5 into 3. 140 7 into 20. 20 means 5 fours 20. So from here LCM is 7 into 5 into 4 into 3. 5 fours is 20. 7 threes 21. 21 into 20 is 420. So our answer is option D. Next question. Find the number of bricks each measuring 24 cm, 12 cm and 8 cm required to construct a wall 24 meter long, 8 meter high and 60 cm thick if 10% of the wall is filled with mortar. See, we need to construct only 90% of the wall having dimensions. Wall dimensions are 24 meter. To convert meter into centimeter, we'll take 2 zeros into 8 meter, that is 800 into 60 centimeters. So as it is 60. Whole divided by 24 into 12 into 8. This gives number of bricks. So 24 and 24 cancel, 100. Now 12 ones, 12 5 60. 8 ones, 8 ones, that is 100. 100 get cancelled. So we'll get 9 into 5 is 45 and 3 zeros. So 45,000 bricks are needed to construct a wall. Option A is our answer. Next question. Two trains, each 250 meter in length, are running in parallel lines in opposite directions at a speeds of 90 km per hour and 60 km per hour respectively. In how many seconds will they cross each other completely? They are running in opposite directions, so speeds get added. Relative speed is 90 plus 60, that is 150 km per hour. To convert it into meter per second, take 5 by 18. So 3 5 is 15, 3 6 18. So 250 by 6. Now to find time, distance by speed. Distance is Each train has 250 meters length. So 2 into 250 is 500. 500 meter divided by 250 into 6. 250 ones, 250 twos. 2 into 6 is 12. So 12 seconds is required to cross them completely. Next. Last year there were 16 boys in a school. The number decreased by 20% this year. How many girls are there in the school? If the number of girls is 175% of the total number of boys in the school this year. Last year there were 16 boys. This year 20% decreased. That is, only 80% of boys were present. Out of these boys, in these boys, the girls were 175% of these boys. So that is 175% of girls. 25 fours, 25 sevens. And these 2 zeros and 0, this 0 get cancelled. 4 ones, 4 twos. That is 61 into 14. 61 into 14 is 854. So our answer is option A. Next question. Which of the following numbers is divisible by 4? See, a number to be divisible by 4, the last 2 digits should be divided by 4. So let's check this number. 54 divided by 2. So 4 ones and 4 threes. And it is not completely divided by 4. So option A is wrong. Next, 24. 24 divided by 4. 4, 6, 24. So this number is completely divisible by 4. Next question. The sides of rectangle are in the ratio 8:10 and its perimeter is 90 centimeter. The area of rectangle is, if this is a rectangle and its length is in 10x and breadth is 8x. So perimeter is 90 centimeter. We know perimeter formula is 2 times of length plus breadth. Substituting here, 10x plus 8x gives 90. 2 ones, 2 45s. So 10 plus 8 is 18. X equal to 45 by 18. 9 5s and 9 2s. So x value is 5 by 2. Area of rectangle is, area formula is length into breadth. So length is 10x. That is 10 into 5 by 2. 8x breadth. 8 into 5 by 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 2s 8. So now 5 into 5 is 25 into 10 2s 20. 25 2s is 50 and this 0 as it is. So option D is our answer. Next question. A sum of money doubles itself at a certain rate of compound interest in 12 years. When the interest is compounded annually, in how many years will it become 8 times itself? So to double the amount, it takes 12 years. So to become 8 times, that is 2 cube, it takes 12 into 3, that is 36 years. So our option is A. Next question. If 25 people working 15 hours a day complete 5 units of work in 8 days, how many days would be required by 12 persons to complete 10 units of work working 20 hours a day? So here, number of persons and hours into days divided by number of units of work completed is equal to M2 into H2 into days, D2 divided by W2. This is the formula to solve this question. So substituting here, 25 men working 15 hours, 8 days completed 5 units of work. Similarly, 12 persons working 20 hours, how many days are required to complete 10 units of work? 5 ones, 5 twos. And here 3 5s, 3 4s. 2 ones, 2 10s. 4 ones, 4 twos. 2 ones, 2 5s. These 5 and these 5 get cancelled. So number of days is 25 days. Option B. Next question. The average marks of the student of a class in a particular exam is 80. If 5 students whose average marks in the exam is 40 are excluded, the average marks of the remaining students will be 90. Find the number of students who wrote the exam. See here, average marks of a class particular exam. In a particular exam, average marks is 80. Then if we consider x number of students having the average marks of 80, it gives sum. This sum should be equal to 5 students whose average marks in that exam is 40 excluded. If 5 students are excluded of average marks 40, then remaining will be x minus 5 students. Their average is 90. So this sum should be equal to x into 80 sum. Solving this, 80x is equal to 5 fours 20, 200 plus 90x minus 450. So 80x comes here, it becomes 10x, and 450 minus 200, that gives x equal to 450 minus 200 is 250. 250 divided by 10, 0 0 get cancelled, x is 25. Option A. Next question. Study the following graph and answer the given question. The given bar graph shows the annual production of rice in a state during the period 2018 to 2022. What is the total production of rice for the years 2020, 21 and 22 together? Total production of rice in these 3 years, that is 100 plus 60, 160 plus 80, 240. So our answer is option 2. Next. Two interior angles on the same side of transversal line intersecting two parallel lines are in the ratio of 2:3. Then the greater of the two angles is, see here, if there are two parallel lines and this is a transversal line, then two interior angles are intersecting in the ratio 2:3, that is 2x and 3x. So sum of the interior angles is 180 degree. So 2x plus 3x is 180 degree. 2 plus 3 is 5x, that x is equal to 180 by 5. 5 ones, 5 3 is 15 and carry 3, 5 6 30. So x is 36 degree. So greater of two angles, greater is 3. So 36 into 3 is 108 degree. Our answer is option A. Next question. If 18 divided by 24 is equal to 24 by y, find the value of y. So y is equal to 24, it becomes reciprocal, 24 by 18. 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 3 1s, 3 8s. So 8 4s 32. Our answer is option D. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Hygriva Study Circle.